All right, guys, welcome to 8014 Canyon Wren Park. This is another beautiful 2,708 square foot home with KB Home. It's known as the 2708 floor plan. Very popular floor plan here in the community. This is at the preserve at Culebra. Right off to the right hand side, you have coat closet and you have a half bathroom. There is your 2-car garage. Over here, you'll have an office area. Office area even comes with its own closet. All our KB homes that are inventory do come with an alarm security system. You also have another coat closet right here. Plenty of closet space in this floor plan. This would be your formal dining. Nicely separated from your living room. And this would be your nice big open concept area. Great for entertaining this floor plan. A lot of great space for entertainment. You have these tall 42-inch cabinets, Whirlpool appliances with KB Home. Of course, your nice Moen faucet, deep sinks, nice little office area, nice size pantry. On this home, it does come with a covered patio. On our inventory homes as well, we do give you the sprinkler system. So you don't have to worry about watering your grass in the front, in the back, and in the sides. Let's go take a look upstairs. Nice window for natural light. Upstairs, you have your nice loft area upon coming upstairs. The master bedroom is nicely separated from your other 3 bedrooms over here. Essentially bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. This would be the laundry room. This would be your secondary bathroom upstairs. And then this would be bedroom number 4. Nice little sitting area. And this bedroom has a walk-in closet. All right, heading over to the master. I like how it's nicely separated away from all the bedrooms. Great for extra privacy. And this, of course, is the master bedroom. Very big and spacious. I'm kind of like walk all the way back here so you can get a nice view. All right. Master bathroom. You have a nice 42-inch garden tub. Nice tile surrounding. Nice big linen coat closet. And then of course you have double sinks. Nice enclosed toilet area. Another linen closet. And then of course, master bedroom closet.